Where's his nose? What's his eye? Where's his nose? Show me beep beep. Yeah. Okay, what's next? What's the next book?
Which book, buddy? I mean, you got a whole pile.
Book.
I don't know if you got enough books.
Do you need help? How about this one? This one? What about the colors? What about the caterpillar? The little blue truck leads the way. What about Elmo? What about the spirit of Christmas? What about Dr. Seuss's Happy Birthday Baby? Oh, are we gonna get it? 5 silly turkeys. That's not my dinosaur.
You're running out of books, buddy.